HeyGen versus Synthesia. So HeyGen is an AI video creation platform that generates AI avatars and custom digital twin videos from text scripts, photos, or short video captures. It's popular with creators, marketers, and social media producers for expensive and expressive customizable avatar content. So let's talk about the pros. The custom avatars can be generated from photos or short clips. Avatars show a natural micro gestures, head movements, and an expressive feature. It also has an extensive customization and creative controls. And it also offers voice cloning and generative language support. The cons though, the custom avatar realism is generally less polished than the enterprise-grade outputs. And some users note that the avatars can still look artificial or animated rather than indistinguishable from real footage. Now, Synthesia, on the other hand, it is an enterprise-oriented AI video platform that also offers custom avatar creations. Users can upload assets or just generate highly refined AI presenters designed for professional and business use cases. So for the pros, it offers avatars from Synthesia which tends to look more polished and consistent. It also has a larger avatar library and advanced language support, which means wider use across formal projects. And it also offers custom avatar generation in the enterprise tiers, which is very robust. The cons is though, the custom avatars often require an enterprise level, and there are fewer real-time customization options than HeyGen in many plans. So overall, choose HeyGen if you want expressive, customizable custom avatars, and choose Synthesia if you want the custom avatar of your priority is polished, professional realism, and consistency. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.